So in the last video, I did explain about the continued proportion. That what is continued proportion? I will repeat it again. A, B, C. If there are three quantities, if they are in continued proportion, so if the ratio of the first term and the second term is equal to the ratio of the second and third term, so then we can say that these three quantities A, B, and C are in continued proportion. So mathematically here I can write down the first term and second term. Proportion of first term and second term is equal to the ratio of the second and third term. So if the three quantities like A, B, C, so the ratio of the first two term is equal to the ratio of the second last two terms B and C, then we can say that A, B, C are in continued proportion. So the exam question here is, um, what is the mean proportion? What is the mean proportion of quantity 6 and 24? So these are two quantities, and we're gonna find the mean. So answer is, by definition, we can say that A ratio uh, B and C. So this is mean. Like we can write B by C. So this is mean. So this is keep in mind that this is the in exam question. So what is how you can find the mean of the six, and so you can write down in the answer 6 ratio A because it's unknown, and then you're gonna put here also A according to the equation, and here is 24. 6 and 24, two quantities are given, but the third quantity is not given. But we're gonna find the mean. So how you do it? 6 by A is equal to A by 24. So multiply this. So A square is equal to 6. 6 multiplied by 24. Cross multiplication mathematics. Uh, A square is equal to 144. When you multiply 6 with 24, so taking square root on both sides, taking square root both side both side of equation. So A square under root 144 under root. So it's become A, and this is 12 into 1 by 2. 12 square, so 2 gone, and we got A is equal to, so this is the answer. A is equal to 12. So this is the mean. So now you can write down like this: 12 and 24. So this is the answer. There is another term which called giant variation. So giant variation is also an exam question, maybe yeah, in multiple choice. So what is giant variation? So one quantity is directly proportional to the product of two or more quantities. Is directly proportional to the product or multiplication of two or more quantities. This is the definition. quantities. Uh, so let's say an example of giant variation. If there are three quantities A, B, and C, how you can write it? So A is directly proportional to the product of B multiplied by C. When use product word, product mean is the multiplication. This is so our A is directly proportional to BC. You know by mathematics, in mathematics we use constant to remove the directly proportional. So BC, or in other word, K is equal to BC by A. So this is called giant proportion. So this complete the proportional variation. It's complete the ratios, proportion and variation, and directly proportional, inversely proportionals, and proportion. How you can represent proportion with four thing ratio we represent like this. So this complete these two chapters in the higher studies, and I hope. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and like the videos if you are learning. Thank you and have a